Are you an attorney or law firm that has recently decided to downsize your office space and make all or part of your law firm a remote office? If so, I have a couple tips for you. Hi, I'm Sheila Lasavita, president of Four Corners Deposition Summaries, and our company has always been 95% remote workers. So I'll share with you a couple apps that we use. One of them is a secured server that's HIPAA compliant, and it's important that attorneys have this so that when they store a lot of the medical records, especially PI attorneys, that all that information is being kept safe. The other app, which is really cool, is the Timesheet app. Employees download that to their phone. It tracks their hours. You can see online who's on the clock, who's not. You can see their whereabouts on the map. It tracks their mileage if they run an errand. It's just all cool. So if you want to know names of any of these apps, feel free to give me a call, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned because we're going to be giving you more tips.